Yo, what's up? So I told you that. Well, I don't know if you guys know unless you follow me on Snapchat. I just got the motherfucking fog lights, the whole assembly. And so we're gonna be installing them today. So we took off the front bumper and we're actually taking off the wrap right now. So let's try to start to get these installed. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna actually be doing, hold on, let me focus this. That's getting actually worse. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's lines right here, and that's where we have to cut. So they actually just already did the layout, so I just gotta cut it now. And the way me and Johnny are actually gonna be cutting it, we're gonna use a knife and heat it up with the lighter, so we can go through it like butter. But let's get this done. So there you have it. We actually cut it. Let's see, let me focus. So I had to actually cut a little bit more deeper because the fog light itself, it was hitting on, and being that this isn't the actual fog light, this is a replica.
Oh my god, it's fucking cold.
It doesn't actually fit perfectly right here, so we're just gonna have to make it work. So let's go. And there you guys. Give me a motherfucking second. But there you guys go. We got it in. It was actually a tight fit, but these were probably easy to screw in. And then this side looks, I don't know if you could tell, but like, I don't think this side looks tight enough. But there's nothing else that we can really do. But overall, I think it came out pretty fucking dope. Again, shout out to Johnny, hella hooking it up. And then, if you guys want, you guys should comment below and let me know what color I should wrap these. Because I got the white for the purpose, so I can wrap them a different color and not have yellow. So, let's do the wiring now. Yo, what is up, bitches? So, it actually snowed today. Or last night, actually. So, yeah, so we're gonna get the fucking, what's it called? The fog lights. So we're gonna do the wiring today. Like yesterday, me and Johnny got them installed. So now it's time to get them wired up and working. So the whole kit came with everything that I would need for the wire. And so now it's just time to wire it up. So let's go. So far I got some of this wired, or some of this zip tied. I don't know if you can tell. And then, so with this, I'll show you guys real quick. So with this end, I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me try to. Yeah, let's just do this. So with this end, it's actually going to go through the firewall into the cab. And then this end, you hook up to your positive. And there is a ground. And so I hooked up the ground. I don't know if you guys can tell right here. I hooked up the ground right there because I don't know why Honda has a ground for an extra ground. But I hooked that up. And then it's just, for me, my problem is right now, it's just kind of too long right now. All the wires and stuff right now, it's just long. I just gotta like figure out how I can put it in without it looking like too cluttered. If you get what I mean. But let's try to get the rest on. Okay, so I ran the wire right here. All the wiring is right here, and I went in front of my radiator, and then wire around the wire right here. I need to still zip tie it, so I don't know if you guys can see that wire around there. I still need to zip tie and make it more like nicer. And then it's ran, and then I actually went through this small right here, this small hole through the firewall. And then I don't know if y'all can here, let me get a light. Let me get a light real quick. John, give me a light. My phone or something? Cool. And then I don't know if you guys can see it, but I wired it and then just hooked it up straight right there. And then I grounded my wire right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And yeah, now I just need to put the thing on. But I'm gonna show you guys at work, so I'm gonna let Johnny take over. And there you go, motherfuckers. Hell yeah. So we're at final product. They are on both sides. Hell yeah. Yo, what is up, guys? So we just got the fogs on and now they are working. And so the next thing we're actually gonna do, so I just bought a new window regulator, and I just actually took off the panel to the door, and here is the old one. It's all fucked up, it's all bent and shit. So the story behind that is actually someone broke into my car, which sucks. So I gotta vacuum out all the gas or all the glass, and yeah. So I took off the door panel. I had to rip off this shit. I believe it was 6 bolts. Yeah, so it was these ones all right here, these bolts, and then these two right here. So we are gonna be replacing the door. So yeah, let's get this done. Yo, so we just got I just put in the new regulator. These bolts right here actually, and then these two. I recommend, if you're gonna be replacing a regulator by yourself, start off with these two, because they're kind of, they move and they slide. The little piece of bar right here. So I recommend doing that. And then I actually need to go vacuum this out before I put in the new glass. But honestly, it's not that bad for my first time. I actually just basically YouTubed everything. But, you know, fuck it. I'm learning, right? But yeah, so just those bolts and then those two. And then now we just gotta slide the glass in. And hopefully we could do it on my first try, because I'm not trying to fucking break a glass or anything. But hell yeah, let's go. And there you fuckers go. Just kidding, but we did get it in. Johnny did help me. So what we did was this side we like tilted down and this end up, and we had to match it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we had to match it up with this so it can slide down. And then let me show you what's Gucci. And then we made it so we can just slide it real quick right there. And we got it in. So that's 2 things done to the EG today. I'm actually really happy. I don't have to fucking roll around with a fucking plastic thing and barely see anything. So now I'm just probably gonna go to the car wash to get all this shit cleaned out. So let's go. Yo, so what's up? We actually just picked up some quick release. Well, I didn't pick them up. My girlfriend picked them up. Shout out to Kathy. She picked them up at Mac Wheels. So, they overcharged her actually. Last time I picked up Johnny's, they were only 15. And they charged Kathy $20 this time. I mean, it's only $5, but still, you know, it's like, why charge a different price, you know? So I low-key might call him, because yeah, you know, $5 is $5. But we are actually going to be installing them after we eat some dinner. So we'll go install that, and then yeah, let's go. Okay, yo. So we're gonna start installing it. Oh shit. Sure, I'm finding more fucking wrap every day that I didn't take off. So we're gonna be installing the quick releases. I'm just gonna do 2 right here, but I'm thinking maybe I should go up more because when I turn the wheel, sometimes I scrape. I don't know how. I'm not even that low. Hey, those fogs though. Just kidding. Let's get this shit installed. What the fuck? So we got the first side done. Let me try to focus. That's actually making it worse. Well, who cares? So we got the first side done. This was kind of a bitch because it didn't go all the way through. So for that one, we didn't even end up using a washer. So we just did straight bolt. Hopefully that doesn't really fuck it up. But it's pretty simple. You just drill right through the body, and then it comes with the nut. And you put the nut on, and then you use the Allen wrench and just tighten them up. So nothing really hard about it. Pretty simple. I will show you how to do it on the other side. So let's go do the other side. Let's go. Okay, yo. So what you're gonna want to do, basically, so you just figure out where you're gonna put it. So I'm put it about right there, and then I just kind of make a mark because I can't really drill with it. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right there. I don't know if you can see it, but and then next thing you want to do is drill the hole, but our shit sucks right now, so let's try this again. Oh, there you go. Just push that. You gotta push that motherfucker in sometimes. Just kidding. So what happened on the other side? There was metal right here, so you gotta I'm kind of like bending it back as much as I can. Make sure not to cut yourself. Where's that Allen wrench at? I'm just gonna use the Allen wrench to kind of bend it. Okay, and then you get this, and then John, hand me the. You're gonna want to grab the washer, the nut, and the bolt. So grab that real quick, John. So pretty basic. Just put it right through the thing, and find the hole, and then pop it in, and then grab the washer. And then you grab the washer and then you put it on, simple shit. But if you don't want to, then you don't have to, but I recommend it unless you got small space to work with. And then you grab the nut and then put it on. And then for these ones, they're 10 millimeter. So what you want to do is hook that on and then start tightening. Do as tight as possible. Don't want to do it too tight and break it though. So you want to do it tight. So that's good. And then time for the other one. So then we got sketch. We live in the ghetto, so A lot of sketchy people fucking just drive by and slow down for no reason. But so this is what I do basically. So you get it. Make sure your bumper's all the way up. So let's just assume it's gonna be right there. I'm just gonna guess it. So let's assume right there. Oh shit. So take two. I dropped it. I don't know, I had to find it. So let's just assume it's gonna be like right there. You're gonna kind of want to make a mark. I think that's a mark. But let's see. Okay. And then this isn't actually metal. I don't know what kind of material this is, but there's shit on the other side, so you gotta kind of get it all off so you can fit the nut on. Okay, so example for this one didn't go through all the way. I'm not gonna be able to show you because I'm not trying to bend my shit. So for this one, I just used the nut. So Allen wrench, and then the 10, and then let's start to tighten it. And then again, try to tighten it as much as you can. That's okay. And then that's tightened. And then boom. Both sides are done. I feel like I could have went a little bit more down, but that's okay, just as long as it's holding up. And oh yeah, that's how you fucking install it. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys learned something. I definitely learned a lot from replacing the window. That was definitely a first time thing. Thank God that's fixed. And installing the fog lights, that was something new for me and Johnny. I've never done anything wiring wise. Believe me, YouTube has helped me a lot. Like when in doubt, like YouTube it. Like there's nothing wrong. Like I've learned a lot of shit with YouTube. But like I said, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I just want to give Adam Webb a shout out. He fucking all my decals, I'll just go for him. Yeah, Adam Webb. I'll put his Instagram in the description. Go check him out if you're in Utah. I love the quality of his shit, and it lasts you a long time. And then also want to give Bruce a shout out at Sound Warehouse. If you guys need any sort of alarm, any system, and you need shit done to your car, go to Sound Warehouse. Go to Bruce. He will hook you the fuck up. He hella hooked me up with my window regulators and 2 new doors that I didn't need. But you know what? Now I got 2 extra doors. He gave me a hell of a hookup. and I hella appreciate that shit. But for the last time, let's end the video here, and see you next time.